Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So finally, we just get a latest update, one of the big update about the Pi network. 100 million investment in other companies, in other businesses. So we will check about Pi network ventures. This is a new update. I can see a big news, a big update about the Pi network. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video. We will check the update, we will check the article, even we will check the Pi network ventures website. How you can apply, who are eligible for this investment. So Pi network, even I can say we will see a higher value for the Pi network. You know why? The 100 million investment will be in Pi network and then USD. So I can say Pi core team will purchase Pi network. Even I can say they are going to use the Pi coin to investment in other companies. So let's check the chart, let's check the Pi network, let's check the latest update, what things you can find in the Pi network ventures, even about the Binance update. Binance tweet, whether it will be about the Pi network, whether it's not about the Pi network, we will check inside this video. So share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi network, pre-sale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So first of all, we will check about this update. So breaking news, Pi network. Zoom in few hours back in Binance Facebook page. They posted a photo having lots of Pi network symbols. Okay, if I show you, this is the picture. This is the Binance Facebook page. This is what happens when devs touch art with zero design sense. Okay, see in here. If you check this picture, somehow you can see lots of Pi network symbol. It means that Binance will list the Pi network, or Binance is saying that Pi network is not a useful project. Pi network is a scam project. Or somehow Binance is giving hint they are going to list the Pi network. So this is the picture you can see. If you check, you can find lots of Pi coin symbol. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I don't want to waste your time because here we will have, I can say we have a big update about the Pi network. This is a new article. This is a new update from the Pi core team. Although on 14 May 2025, we should see a major update about the ecosystem. But there is no any update about the ecosystem, but we have this news, this update. Launching Pi network ventures, investing 100 million in innovation startups. So this is one of the big news, one of the big update. On 14 May 2025, in the stand of the ecosystem announcement, we have this update. I can say this is another big update from the Pi core team. Okay, so today marks a transformative movement for the Pi community. The Pi Foundation is thrilled to announce the official launch of the Pi network ventures, a development initiative of 100 million held in Pi coin and USD. So this 100 million investment, it will be with Pi coin and then USD. Whether somehow 50% they are going to use Pi coin, 50% they are going to use USD. This is one of the big achievement from the Pi core team. Okay, this investment will be for startups, businesses, including those that advance the utility, adoption, and real-world impact of Pi coin. If you check inside the Google, you can find lots of ventures companies in cryptocurrency, in the crypto market. Like here you can see, you have Coinbase, you have Attrition. Even if you scroll down, you can find in here list of 44 ventures capital firms, top 15 venture capital firm. Like you can find about the Coinbase, about the Kraken, about the Solana, about the Binance. This all are the venture companies. Like you know about the Binance. Binance is a venture company. Binance is investing to other companies. Like you can find about the Coinbase, you can find about the Solana, you can find about the Avalanche. So somehow Pi network joining those companies. Pi network or Pi network ventures joining Binance venture, Solana venture, Avalanche venture, Coinbase venture, Kraken ventures. So somehow Pi network is, I can say, will be one of the top competitor of these companies. Okay, so going back to the article. So Pi network ventures is established by the Pi core team. Pi Foundation, I can say this is the Pi core team. But this 100 million investment will be used from 10% of the tokens that allocated for foundation reserves. Here you can see. This is the update. So 100 million is going to use from 10% of tokens that are allocated for the foundation reserves. So more information on Pi supply and tokenomics is available here. So you can check the tokenomics, you can see the allocation. So somehow I can say 100 million is going to use from the foundation reserves. Somehow they are going to use the Pi coin, and somehow they are going to convert Pi to the USD in order to invest on those companies. Okay, further, this is the vision behind Pi Network Ventures. With this, we will see boost Pi utility, of course. If they support startups, businesses that integrate Pi Network, so we will see somehow the product, services, customer experience. It will boost the Pi Network utilities, the Pi Network use cases. So enable more of the world's production onto the Pi Network, and then bring Pi to the real world. This is the three parts. This is the three vision behind this Pi Network Ventures. Also inside the website, this is the Pi Network Ventures official website. So Pi Network Ventures investing in scalable innovation across industries. If you check the website, from here you can apply for this investment, and then this is the mission, and then this is the foundation, Pi Foundation. Of course, Pi Foundation is the Pi core team. So who is eligible for this? Okay, check in here. This is one of the best point. So investment will focus heavily on generally technology sectors, including generative AI, AI applications, fintech, embedded payments, gaming, e-commerce platforms, marketplaces, social networks, and real-world consumer and enterprise applications. This is the thing the Pi core team is going to invest. This is the companies. So these companies will be eligible for this investment. You can see in here. This is what the Pi core team is going to invest in here. Okay, further, what an investment means for your business. So of course, if the Pi core team is going to invest on the businesses, somehow the pioneers will trust to those businesses. So pioneers will use those businesses. Pioneers will invest on those businesses, on those companies. So I can say those companies will get lots of users. Like in here, already the Pi core team just talk about it. This is the point. Strategic benefits for pioneers. What benefits pioneers will get from the Pi Network Ventures? So more utility for your Pi, of course. If the pioneers invest on those companies, if those companies accept or businesses accept Pi as a payment method, accept it in the real world, like product, services, transactions, experience. So you can use your Pi coin. You can use in order to purchase goods and services. You can use it in the real life. A stronger ecosystem. Of course, when businesses adopt Pi, so we will see, I can say, we will see a natural growth to the Pi Network ecosystem. And then, incentivizing high quality integrations. One thing I should tell you, the pioneers will invest on the high quality businesses, on the high quality startup. So network effect in action. And then this is access to one of the world's largest crypto user bases. So if pioneer, I can say if the Pi Network investing on those companies, so those companies will get lots of users. And those users will be pioneers, because Pi Network having 60 million users, 20 million completed their KYC, completed the token migration. So it means that, for example, if Binance is investing on one of the project, so all the Binance users will start investing because they will trust to the project. So the same case with Pi Network. If the Pi Network is investing on one of the business, so pioneers will start trusting to those business. They are going to use those business. So this is what the businesses, the companies will get a large amount of the users. So how these investments will work? One thing I should tell you, of course, the pioneers, or I can say the Pi Network is going to invest on the high quality businesses, startups, companies. Even one thing in here you can see, the pioneers ventures may make investment over time, and from time to time and may discontinue investing at any point in time. So it means that the Pi network anytime they can discontinue the investment. They can stop the investment. In here you can see they just said about this. Pi network may discontinue investing at any point in time. So this is what 100 million investment on other companies, on the quality applications, number of startups accepted into the initiative. Okay, here you can see a turning point for the Pi network. Of course, further you can check this article. This is all about the Pi network ventures. I hope you understand this video. You can check this article. You can read this article yourself. Even you can see the website of the Pi network ventures. This is the Pi network official, the Pi network ventures official website. So what do you think about this? This is a big achievement, a big news. So now let me show you this. This is the chart of the Pi network. As I told you, the price will come down. See in here. This is the interesting level that I'm going to purchase Pi network. I'm just waiting for confirmation. Somehow, if you want me to make a separate video for the Pi network chart analysis, let me know in the comment section. So I'm just watching this. I'm just checking this Pi network because this level is my interesting level that I'm going to purchase the Pi network. If you want me to make a separate video, let me know in the comment section. So smash the like button to while time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.